Hello investors, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be discussing the top three stocks to pick in August. Now these are stocks that are at a low right now, either due to bad earnings or because of the trade war that's going on right now with the trade war tensions. So it's pretty much like we're getting these stocks on sale right now that are very good buy price, pretty much at prices that were like in 2018. So right now is a very good time to pick these. So I'm going to be going over the list right now with you guys. Now before we get into the picks, go ahead and smash that like button for me, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I make videos about the stock market, about trading and buying on the dip, and just picking good stocks. So the number one pick for August is going to be Apple. Apple is currently trading at $198 per share. It has a market cap of 949 billion and a PE ratio of 15.5. Now, Apple just had its earnings about 1 or 2 weeks ago, and it actually had very good earnings. It beat earnings on revenue growth, and it beat earnings revenue growth. It has finally returned positive after 2 negative quarters. The stock rose about 4% after market after the earnings, but it has went down in the past few days due to trade fears and trade war tensions between the USA and China. Apple estimates were, they were estimating $2.10, and we had $2.18. Revenue was at 53.8 billion compared to 53.39 billion, and revenue guidance for quarter four is 61 to 64 billion. Compared to the 60.98 billion that was estimated. iPhone revenue was at 25.99 billion versus 26.31 billion estimated, and service revenue was at 11.46 billion versus 11.61 billion. Now Apple is looking really good in my opinion right now because everything is down due to the trade war fear, but I feel like this is a great opportunity for us to buy, so it's a great buying opportunity. It's at a good price because it was at a high of like 200 and something recently, 212, price range, and right now it's a little bit down, so it's good to keep getting it right now because you're getting out on a very good sale pretty much. Now as I go over my picks, don't forget to leave a comment below and tell me what you think about the pick. Leave me your opinions. I'm down to discuss anything, so leave a comment below what you think about the picks that I'm making, and also let me know what stocks you're adding to the portfolio right now during the trade war. So leave a comment below and let's continue with the picks. Alright guys, so the second pick for August is going to be JP Morgan Chase. JP Morgan Chase is currently trading at $108 per share. It has a market cap of 356 billion and a forward PE ratio of 10.2. JP Morgan Chase had a record second quarter with profits of 9.65 billion, which is about 16% more than the year before. So this comes out to be about $2.82 per share, beating the estimates of $2.50 per share. Revenue was at 29.57 billion, which is a 4% increase from the year previous, and it also beat expectations of 28.9 billion. JPM did cut its forecast for the rest of 2019. The net interest has been cut by about 500 million. Now that takes it down to about 57.5 billion compared to the 58 billion that they had predicted for 2019. Now I believe this is actually a great financial stock to hold in your portfolio. A lot of people will hold something like Bank of America for the very high dividend, but I actually like JP Morgan Chase a lot more because it's a safer stock in my opinion, and it has a lot more growth potential at the moment in my eyes. And also something that you have to look at is actually JP Morgan Chase has a pretty decent dividend of 2.96%, so that's almost a 3% dividend, which is not that bad. Now this is a quarterly dividend, so that means you will be receiving 74 cents per quarter, which comes out to that $2.96 per year. Now their dividend has been growing for the past 8 years, and it continues to grow, and that is another reason that I picked JP Morgan Chase, because it's not just a safer stock to hold for growth, but it also has a dividend that has been increasing for a long time. The third stock on our August picks is going to be HD, ticker symbol HD, which is Home Depot. Home Depot is actually currently trading at $207 per share. It has a market cap of about 228 billion to 228.76 billion and a forward PE ratio of 18.88. So Home Depot is also currently trading down right now because of the trade war. Everything is pretty much down in the whole market. But the thing is with this one is Wall Street is expecting very positive news from Home Depot with the earnings coming out August 20th. The company is expected to report EPS estimates of $3.09. The revenue is being estimated to about 31 billion. So recently, analysts actually had very positive news with this one. They increased the price target for Home Depot. One thing that we can't forget about Home Depot is that Home Depot actually has a pretty decent dividend yield. It has a dividend yield of 2.6%, and that pays out quarterly. Now, if you look at that, that's not a bad dividend at all. 2.6% is pretty decent, especially for a stock like, Home Depot. So these are all things that you have to, look into when you're investing into Home Depot, is the dividend and the growth with Home Depot as the stock. So that's something to keep in mind. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the August pick so far. So pretty much, the streets are right now. So right now it's, while everybody is in fear, is the time when you should be investing more and trying to get your price to be lower at a price average to lower. So pretty much, right now with the whole dip in the trade war going on, everybody is in so much fear that you as an investor need to take advantage of this and invest into, the stocks that you believe are good in long term. Because if you're a long term investor, you shouldn't be worried about what's going on for the next month or 2 months or the next year. You should be focused on 5 years, 10 years, 15 years or more. So, and especially if you're a dividend holder, you should also be looking into adding some stuff to your portfolio right now, because everything's on sale. It's like everything's on sale. It's like Black Friday shopping for the stock market. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you smash that like button. Leave a comment below on your opinions and thoughts. What stocks are you going to be adding to your portfolio? What stocks are you getting rid of? And what do you think is going to happen with the trade war in the upcoming months? Are we going to come out to agreement or not? And how long is this going to last? Is this dip going to be a big dip? Are we about to, go down about 20, 30, 40% in the market? Who knows what's going to happen, but let's hope that it doesn't last too long and we can get back to our all-time highs again.